In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download CVS app. By the end, you will have the official CVS Health app ready to use on your phone. First, open your device's app store. On Android, look for the Google Play Store icon with a multicolor triangle. On an iPhone, tap the App Store icon, which has a blue background with a white A. Once it opens, you should see a search section and some featured apps, which tells you are in the right place. Now tap the search bar at the top of the screen. On most phones, the keyboard will slide up from the bottom so you can type. If you see previous searches or suggestions appear under the bar, that is completely normal and you can ignore them. Next, type CVS Health or CVS Pharmacy into the search bar, then start the search. On Android, you can tap the magnifying glass on the keyboard. On an iPhone, tap the search button. In a moment, a list of results appears, usually with the official CVS app near the top. At this point, take a second to verify that you are getting the correct app. Look for the listing that clearly shows CVS Health or CVS Pharmacy as the name, and check that the publisher is CVS. The CVS logo is usually a red heart icon, which helps you spot it quickly among any similar-looking apps. Once you are sure you have the right one, tap on the CVS Health app result. That opens the app's detail page, where you can see the logo, screenshots, a short description, and reviews. Seeing the Install button on Android or the Get button on iPhone confirms you are on the main download page. From there, tap Install on Android or tap Get on iPhone to start downloading the app. On an iPhone, you may be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. On Android, the download usually begins right away, and you will see a progress bar appear. Now wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. The progress bar will gradually fill, and the button will change once it is done. On Android, the button usually changes to Open. On iPhone, the Get button changes to an Open button, and the CVS icon is also added to your home screen. After that, tap Open. The CVS Health app will launch, and you will see the Welcome or Home screen. Here you might see options related to prescriptions, shopping, or rewards, which confirms you have the official app running. With the app open, sign in with your existing CVS account or tap Create Account if you are a new user. When creating an account, you will be guided through basic details so the app can link to your prescriptions and extra care rewards. Once you finish, your login will bring you straight to your personalized CVS dashboard. You have now downloaded the official CVS Health app and signed in so you can manage prescriptions, rewards, and appointments from your phone. If this walkthrough helped you get the app set up, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more clear guides like this.